Angela's my main chick, but I got a few more. Wait, are we recording when I said that?
You're encouraging him way too much right now. I'm sorry. He's so proud.
I am very proud.
Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we have with us Todd Baldwin, and we're going to play a game that I don't even really know what to call this game, but I guess we're calling it Thousandaire versus Millionaire Wealth Building Tips Bingo. We set forth about 40 or so wealth building tips. You see all those videos on the internet. Basically what we did is we picked our top 9, and if he picks my top 9, he gets to cross off a square. We're playing blackout, so if he picks one of my top 9, he gets to cross out a square. If I pick one of his top 9, I get to cross out a square. So we're gonna see essentially what we think that each other think about wealth building. So
That's right, and I'm about to win. Because I win all bingo games that I'm a part of ever. This is my first time playing bingo.
This game's a little rigged. I mean, I went and watched some of his videos and figured out what he thinks, so I think I'm gonna win, but we'll see.
All right, challenge accepted. Let's go. All right, Casey, so for my first guess, I'm going to guess that you put rich people don't watch as much TV as poor people.
I did.
Aha!
That was number 8 for me. I'm gonna go with a kind of a low blow here. I gotta tell you guys a story. When I was trying to explain these rules to Todd, I was like, all right, you gotta pick your 9 that like you think. And he sent me back his 9, so I try to like block him and not look at him. But the first one that I wanna go over with Todd is, have you ever eaten sleep for dinner to save money?
Oh yeah, I've definitely done that. Basically, instead of spending money on food, I just went to bed hungry so I could save money for the next day, whether it's putting gas in my car to get to work or whatever. So yeah, the struggles were real not that long ago.
When was that?
Probably in college.
In college? Okay.
Yeah, I had a sales job where it was commission only, which can be great, but before you make a sale, you have no money coming in because there's no hourly rate. So yeah, there were definitely days where it's like, okay, I can either, eat, or I can put gas in my car to get to the next deal to hopefully go make money, or I can pay rent, or I can buy books. And so oftentimes some things went lacking. That was number 7 for me.
Number 7 okay. It's gonna be the last free point there.
Okay, all right, Casey, here's what I'm gonna guess that you put for one of your top 9. I'm gonna say that you put the rich sacrifice the present for the future.
I did not.
Damn it.
Okay. The rich use OPM to get rich.
I actually did not say that.
You did not say that? How?
I did not say that. I did not say that. It wasn't in my top 9, but basically what Casey's referring to is leveraging other people's money, which can be done. Like I know real estate syndicators, they can pool a lot of money together and go buy buildings or whatever, but I did not have it as one of my top 9. But I'm going to say that you said that the mega rich focus on money early in life.
I did.
Aha!
That was number 2.
Yep.
This is not going exactly how I thought it would go.
Are we going for 3 in a row or blackout all 9?
Should we go tic-tac-toe?
If so, I'm about to win.
I don't know.
All right, what you got?
Let's go blackout.
Oh, of course, because I'm about to win tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, because I mean, it's not fair if you win. Like, it's not fair. All right, I'm gonna guess that you put. Let's see. I will be in debt until I die.
I did not put that.
I'm doing terrible. Okay. I
okay.
should have known because you didn't do the OPM thing.
It's all good, man.
You're going Ramsey style later in life?
We all have our skills and weaknesses. My skills clearly bingo / tic-tac-toe. All right, here we go. I'm going to say that you put that, I'm speaking as you, but you wrote this down. I am in charge of my own destiny.
I did not. You already put that. But if I put it and you guessed it, does that mean that you don't have it, or does that? I feel like that's another layer of complexity.
What if it's a double bluff? What if I wrote it, or what if I want you to think that I wrote it? You don't know.
I'm going to guess that you did not say this. and maybe I'll be right.
That I didn't say it, or I did say it.
I'm gonna guess that you did say it, but while thinking that you did not say it. 'Cause
Okay.
I'm just missing badly. Number 23. The rich listen more than they speak.
Ooh, okay, let's see. That sounds like a good one. Ah, yep, that is number 6 on my list.
All right, I'm going for all the ones that I don't think he said at this point.
So, Casey, something I know about you is you're in the ROTC.
Yes,
And when you did that, you had to wake up hella early.
super early.
So I'm going to say that you put that, where was it? The rich people get up early.
Nope.
No, I did not put that.
Damn it.
That is a red herring, sir.
Okay.
Let's see. I'm gonna stay with this strategy of guessing things that I don't think you said.
But that's the opposite of what the game is. You're supposed to
It's
guess
working.
it.
It's working for me. All right. Number 19. The rich eat healthy.
I did not say that as one of my 9. It's good advice though.
It is.
It is really good advice.
It's good for life.
Okay, here we go. Okay. My name is Casey and I believe in the law of attraction.
I do. That is actually number 1 for me.
Yes.
How'd you know this? Have you been watching my videos?
Yeah, man, from time to time. I'm the one hitting the dislike button.
Dude, do you ever get that just random hater that just like always comes through your video? It's
I have that.
Everything's going well. Like you got like 100 likes, and then there's just that one guy that's just like hate comment, dislike.
So that happens to me, but it's the first one. So I have someone that dislikes all of my videos as soon as they're published. So the first thing the first notification I get is that somebody disliked it.
That's me. I don't know who that guy is out there. There's some people that I block. I don't know if they can like dislike your video after you block them.
Oh, you can block people on YouTube?
Yeah, you can block people. Like if people are just getting all crazy in your comment section, you can just block them. So
Well, whoever that hater is, then I'm about to block you.
he's about to dislike this video.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, is it your turn?
No, I just scored on you, so it's your turn.
Just dunked on me. Oh, how did I not pick this yet? Number 29, I will always apply for new credit cards as a source of income. You put that.
Although I do that all the time, that unfortunately is not one of my 9.
I feel like you're just cheating at this point.
Your rewards in life are a direct result to your contribution.
Your rewards in life and law of compensation are basically the same thing. So,
Dude, yeah.
we'll just call it. We'll call that a point.
Excellent.
All right. Let's see. Am I just getting destroyed right now?
Yeah, I've got 4 on the board.
We got 2 up. It's all right. Come back, kid.
All I need is this number 5 to get 3 in a row.
See, what's messing me up is I think you're in my head right now, bro.
It happens.
Because every time you guess one that I guess, then I don't guess that thing. But we might be on the same wave. Maybe I need to start doubling back. I think that's what it is.
Only time will tell.
He's got a good poker face. Let's do it. Your rewards in life will be exactly equal to your contribution. Did you put that?
I did put that. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time around.
I did put that.
Okay, I'm going to put that you said rich people have financial goals.
I did.
What's funny is I'm winning and I sent you all 9 of my answers on my mistake.
I know, one of these doesn't even count. Like, I have 3, but one of them I literally cheated. Rich people enjoy a financial crisis.
I didn't put that on there.
You didn't put that?
I thought it was too controversial. It is 100% true, but I thought it was very controversial.
I'm about 100% used to getting canceled in my comment section, so it's all good. Did you say, I believe in the law of attraction? Did I already guess that?
You did not guess that, but I did say that.
Wow. Okay.
That's number 2 for me.
You want to speak a little bit on that? Where did you come to that idea?
Yeah, so I don't necessarily believe everything in that documentary, The Secret, that came out, where you get a Ferrari just by wishing for one.
Yeah.
But I definitely do think that you kind of attract what you put out there. So if you're positive and upbeat and just kind of like enthusiastic about everything, you're going to bring that back.
Yeah.
And so I definitely believe, it's been true in my life. I'm probably annoyingly optimistic and everything tends to work out. So, yeah.
I think that it's very interesting. I actually, like I mentioned this in one of my videos and people got mad about it, but like anything that you like think about to do, it was in reference to the police situation where like somebody, it was one of my old high school friends, like, you know, somebody ended up getting hit on the freeway. I don't know if you saw that, but like, you know, they're in their mind, like from what I can see, they were thinking about like, you know, I'm willing to die for this, and then they ended up dying for it, you know, and like
Wow.
I mean, I guess that's kind of like a controversial position to hold, but like in my mind, it's like, if you're willing to die for something, whether it be like, you know, protesting, or whether it be like as a soldier, like I'm willing to die on the battlefield, like I feel like circumstances kind of shape themselves in a way that like that's what happens. You know, like I thought about, when I saw your video, I thought about like, oh, I want to meet this guy, and here I am. You know, it's kind of can be used in a positive way or a negative way, or like, you know, not to say that like dying for what you believe in is a negative thing, but like whatever's in your mind, that's like what you end up going after. All right, I'm gonna go with next, the rich take ownership of everything in their life.
That is a really good one. I do believe that, but it's not one of my 9. Okay, I'm going to say that you chose number 11, which is other people's level of wealth does not bother me.
I should have, but I did not. You're not bothering me right now, Todd. Not at all.
Even though I'm winning?
There was that car that, so I think somebody was coming to eat you or something like that. Somebody's coming to eat the rich.
Casey saw a car with a bumper sticker that said "Eat the Rich" on it, and he sent it to me that someone was coming to devour me. So
yeah, for sure.
We'll see.
Big deep fryer in there. I don't know. Do we want to do a celebrity shot? That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, we can do that. You want to come on and guess one?
I'm gonna guess asleep.
Okay, so that is your guess. Is he has had sleep for dinner, which means he was so broke at one point that he went to bed without supper. Is that on your list, Casey?
That is incorrect.
Ah!
Okay, let's do it. Okay, we got a 50-50 chance here.
All right, we've got.
Okay, let us wait for the final answer.
All right.
Okay, we're just think tanking right now.
It's either the rich dress to impress or rich watch less TV.
So I'm dressed like a bum, and as his wife, I hope it's not the dress to impress, but
I think we gotta go with the rich watch less TV.
I think so too.
All right, rich watch less TV. Final answer.
That's my number 5. That is my number 5.
You picked that over I value time more than money. That's crazy.
Yeah, well, I had to come up with 9, and I thought that was a good solid 9.
All right, well.
Casey wins bingo.
It's very
Finally won the bingo after a long, arduous process. It's been really fun, but
Yeah.
I mean, this is what happens when you rig the game. You have any last words, Todd? Or
Yeah, subscribe to Casey's channel, like his channel. He's got some good stuff. Even though he beat me, I can admit when I had defeat. So yeah, and just keep putting out good content, man. And it was good being on the channel.
yeah, it was good to finally meet you. And where can they find you on social media?
Oh yeah, you can follow me on Instagram at Todd J. Baldwin, and I'm also on YouTube, just my name, Todd Baldwin, and you can look me up.
Awesome, man. It's good to meet you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.